Hey guys, can we chat about money real quick? I know it's a sour subject for some people, but guess what? Let's face it, we gotta charge a little something if we wanna make it in our draping business, right? To be more than just a hobby, right? You might be like, but Precious, I don't even know how to figure out my pricing. No worries, boo. Guess what? I got you. My name is Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and guess what? I teach event professionals and creatives such as yourself how to attract higher paying clients so they can make more money doing exactly what they love. By watching this video, guess what? You'll get so much closer to your ultimate goal, so keep on watching. So if you want to start making 5-figure amounts and beyond in this industry, you have to make sure the price is right. Before I get into how to determine pricing, help your girl out by clicking the subscribe button below and hitting that notification bell so you always have access to the latest and greatest in this world of premium draping. So now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about how to determine your pricing. First, you want to take all those limited beliefs out of your head about what you can and can't charge. This is your business and you know what you think you're worth, right? If you don't, it's time to evaluate your mindset. Let's just be real about something. We can't sit up here and talk about making 6 figures and you still scared to charge over $500 for a backdrop, right? Get it out of your head that you can't make the money that you want or deserve in this field, because guess what? You can, and you do deserve it. If these so-called personalities can make thousands of dollars a month by just looking cute and putting together a couple of skits, I promise you that you're worth that and so much more when you're providing an actual service. The second thing you want to do is get an idea of how much your materials cost, right? Trust me, knowing the cost of materials is actually important in determining how much you're going to charge, because this is called your overhead. And it needs to be taken into account when you're shooting out any kind of estimates, right? I go into great detail about this in one of my workshops. So check out the link in the description for more specifics on how to do just that. Now, the third thing you want to do is determine an hourly rate, right? This is completely up to you. Now, several different ways to price out your services, but you can go up and down as you please. Let me make it easy for you so you don't have to overthink it, right? Think about how much you make your current job if you're still working, right? Think about how much you make per hour. If you're on salary, just divide that annual salary by 52, then divide that number by 40, and that's a rough estimate about your current hourly rate. Now, guess what? You can just add 5 to that number and boom, you got yourself an hourly rate that you can use for your business. As you get more comfortable in a bigger portfolio, you can increase it as you see fit. I have another trick I mentioned in my Draping Masterclass that you should definitely check out when you get the chance. The link to that is in the description as well. There you have your 3 tips for how to determine your pricing, right? If this was helpful, then you've got to come to one of my 1-day labor-intensive Draping Master workshops, right? In this 1 day, I'll teach you how to command premium pricing for your work, how to attract higher paying clients, and how to eventually stand out from the oversaturated crowd of other event professionals. I'm doing a tour across the US, so come and join me in the city near you by clicking the link in the description to sign up. That's all I got for you guys today. Don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comments if you found this to be helpful. Talk to you guys real soon. I hope to see you guys in the next video.